Now, I've talked a lot of stuff about the Apple Card here and how good it is and how great it is. But now we've got a lot of upcoming changes to the Apple Card that really we're unsure of what's going to happen. Now, will Apple ever get rid of the Apple Card and the Apple Savings Account? Probably not. But Goldman Sachs, their main bank that they're using for the Apple Card, is reconsidering the deal. Whether they get out or not, that we don't know. But we know that American Express is one of the contenders to be taking over the Apple Card. Now, how will Goldman Sachs move all the savings accounts, move all the Apple Cards to go to American Express? Well, that's something we're going to have to wait and find out. But the Apple Card is still one of your primary cards to helping you be more money smart. So whatever Goldman Sachs decides to do, it's all in charge of Apple, and Apple's going to make the final decision. So I don't believe the Apple Card will ever go away, but it will probably change. You'll probably be reissued a new physical card, and maybe we'll get new perks. Maybe there'll be new percentages, new points, things like that. But there are changes coming to your Apple Card, so I'm letting you know this ahead of time. Don't worry about it. They're still issuing Apple Cards. You can still get one, and please use it responsibly and become more money smart.